Welcome once again. It's been a while. So today we are going to be talking about dimensioning, how to dimension in Archicad. I've done this video before, but I'm going to show you a very short way to do automatic dimensions in Archicad. So the first thing you want to do is to actually set up your dimension conditions, your dimension parameters basically. So you're going to want to go to options, and you're going to go to project preferences, and you're going to go to dimensions. So under the dimensions tab, what you want to do is to make sure this is set to millimeters. Sometimes it's on plain meters, but make sure it's set to millimeters, and then you click OK. The next thing you want to do is to actually set up the dimension. Is it profile they call it? Settings. It's also setting also. So you click on the dimension tool, double click on your dimension tool, and you're going to set the text style. You can pick any of the fonts that you like. I like this particular font. I don't know why, but I like it. It's kind of nice. And you can go ahead and pick the pen color if you want black, if you want basically any color you want, that's fine. And this is the font size. It's usually 2.5, that's the default, but you can make it 2 for exterior dimensioning. You can make it 1.5 depending on what you want. You can underline the dimensions, whatever you want. Just pick your settings basically, and then you're going to go ahead and click OK. The next thing you're going to want to do, and this is the critical part, you're going to escape everything, select the entire area of your floor plan, select everything, just copy everything, just copy everything basically. And then you're going to go to documents, and you're going to scroll all the way down to annotations. You're going to go to automatic dimensioning, and then you're going to click on exterior dimensioning. Under exterior dimension, you're just going to select the parts where you are particular about. So you want to have overall dimensions. You want to dimension the external geometry. I think that's wall to wall. If you want to dimension the structures, that's the thickness of each wall. If you want, I don't particularly like dimensioning that. Then if you want to dimension the opening, that's your doors, your windows, what you have there. Then I think every other setting is fine, and then you're going to make sure this is also clicked. That's place dimensions on all 4 sides, and then you're going to click OK. And then you're just going to come to the edge of any of the wall, click on the wall once, and then this hammer icon is going to show, and then you click on it, and that's what you have basically, just automatic dimensioning. Now remember, I underlined some of the dimensions which I wasn't supposed to do, but that was just to show you an illustration. Now this is your dimensioning. It's not exactly perfect as of yet. If you want to correct it real quick, there are some things to correct. For example, this 219 is not exactly perfect, so you're just going to, you can adjust the positioning of the windows so that this one is going to change, so you can move it by 31, sorry. That gives you 250 if that's what you're looking at. This is 1351. You can adjust that also. So basically what you are doing is just to adjust different window positions to make sure your dimension is perfect. Your working drawing, what you actually place on your working drawing, is perfect. So yes, this is how to do automatic dimension in Archicad. Thank you very much. I'm going to do another video real soon, but until next time everyone, stay safe.